All right, guys, Model Man Frank here. Seniorita's getting closer to finishing. I finished the top. I got to do a little cleanup on the wrinkles on the wings and things like that. First flight of this aircraft will be next week. So I think by next week I'll be able to finish her up. There's the F-86 in the background. She's going to fly tomorrow. So I got everything hooked up. I got to check wiring this weekend and things like that. See if I can get it to sit on its nose. Okay, there we go. So let's talk about it a little bit. What I'm going to do with this area here is I'm going to put red right up on the top there, and I'm going to put a little red stripe going off to that side and a red stripe going off to that side. That'll really make it look better than the black that was on there before. Plus, I got a lot of red still left over. I'm still going to leave the black there. I like that. I got to clean up that windshield. It's just, and I got to put windshield on the side. I got to put those windows in. Whoops, my finger is in the way. Sorry, guys. And I got to put that window over there on that side. But as you can see, the plane's all set up. It's pretty well buttoned up as it is. I'm going to put a prop on it tomorrow. I'll put a 3-bladed prop. I think a 3-blade will be enough to paddle it through the air. I think the same power that I use on the SST-40, which is a 4S 3300, will be enough for this to take off from the ground. I really do. I'm going to hook up the flaps because I have them all set up. I have the flaps set up. I just have to put the control horns and I have everything wired in. Ailerons, I don't know why. This plane really doesn't need them, but I think it'll make a good flight plane with the ailerons. So I will go ahead and put ailerons on. Other than that, hope you guys like the look. I think it'll stand out really, really well. And again, I think the battery will be enough to sink the nose down. Once I get the bolts, I got to get the wing bolts for it. Make sure everything's bolted in. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the flight. So, next week, first flight. We'll do a taxi test, make sure it's running up pretty well, and then we'll take to the skies. So, all right, guys, that's enough for today. Model Man Frank out. Talk to y'all later.